Hi guys, it's me Lou and we are here right now at the Food Truck Festival in Vancouver and we are gonna do the $20 challenge. I have 20 bucks here and we're gonna see how much food we can get with 20 bucks. Let's go! Okay, so my first meal, I got me some mac and cheese, and it's actually called Godzilla. It's got the Japanese mayo and the seaweed, and it looks really, really good. And this cost me $10. Really good. So for dessert, I decided to get a mango and strawberry shaved ice. This cost me $5 for a large, so that's pretty good. It's good. It's perfect for the weather. So for the rest of the money that I have, I got me some mini donuts and this cost me $6. And it's so cute because the place is actually called Hugs. So I got 16 hugs. Deep fried food coated with sugar. So good. Alright guys, so that's the end of the challenge and unfortunately I went over by $1, but it was worth it. The food here was amazing. It was really good and I hope you guys had fun and I had a lot of fun too. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Aquino for Digitalness and I'm 1 with 25.
Hey guys, did you enjoy the video you just watched? Well, if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to watch our upcoming features.